Most people use Claude like a fancy Google search. That's the equivalent of buying a Ferrari and only driving it 10 kilometers an hour. Treating the interface as a simple Q&A box misses Claude's evolution into a digital employee. Moving beyond basic prompts requires a specific setup to unlock its actual power. The first step is providing context through the memory import feature. Instead of starting from scratch, you can migrate your preferences and history from other tools in under 2 minutes, ensuring Claude understands your specific working style from day one. You then have to match the model to the task. Haiku is built for instant data summaries, Sonnet handles everyday drafting and email responses, and Opus is the high-performance tier for identifying patterns in complex metrics. Synchronizing your personal history with the correct processing model transforms Claude from a generic chat box into a highly tuned engine ready for actual work. Real productivity starts when Claude becomes a centralized hub reaching into your digital ecosystem. The Gmail connector scans your inbox to summarize threads and draft replies. The calendar connector audits your schedule against quarterly goals to ensure time allocation matches priorities. For deeper work, you use projects. This is a permanent workspace where you store internal documents, PDFs, and transcripts. Every answer Claude provides in this space is grounded in that specific library of reference material. Integrating your communications and schedules allows the AI to transition from a passive responder to a proactive assistant that understands your business context. Beyond reading your data, Claude has the capacity to build the tools needed to manage it. Artifacts allows Claude to generate interactive mini-apps and editable spreadsheets directly in chat. You describe a need, and Claude builds a functional interface. This extends to interactive visuals, instantly mapping dense frameworks into clickable diagrams to visualize data patterns. These features eliminate the friction of moving data between different visualization and coding tools. Everything is built and refined inside the conversation. Replacing static text with working applications accelerates the speed at which you can test ideas and deploy internal tools. The highest level of utility involves giving Claude the ability to operate your machine and execute physical tasks. The Chrome extension allows Claude to use your browser to automate tasks, such as taking snapshots of sites, scraping complex data, and clicking buttons to find insights. For complex multi-step software tasks, the CoWork desktop application allows Claude to take over your mouse and screen. You describe the steps, and the AI executes the work while you step away. The Scheduled Tasks feature automates these routines. You can set Claude to read your inbox every morning at 9 a.m., identify urgent items, and send a summary to your Slack channel automatically. For technical users, Claude Code provides a terminal environment where the AI acts as a software developer, building apps through plain English commands. In this configuration, Claude acts as an autonomous worker that clicks, types, and operates your software to complete your repetitive daily workflows. Once these systems are in place, your digital twin is no longer tied to your desktop. Through Dispatch and channels, you can trigger these autonomous tasks via iMessage, Telegram, or Discord. You can be away from your desk and still instruct your computer to find a document and email it to your team. It is easy to feel behind in a landscape that changes this quickly, but you don't have to master all 16 of these hacks in a single day. Implementing even one of these workflows shifts your role from performing manual data entry to managing the systems that handle it for you. The future of work is about managing the AI that executes the labor. Choose one feature from this list to set up today, and leave a comment letting us know which one you're starting with.